Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Leos for the month of August. This reading includes all the weeks from the first to fourth week. So let's see what cards have to say. All right, Leos, this is your energy this week. Wow, look at this, the 8 of Wands. So some good news, some good message is going to coming towards you. It is on your doors. You just need to open the doors. A very good news, a very good mail, something that you have been waiting for since a very long time is going to come. A person from past can also come with the good news. So let's see what is going to happen. Your first week says King of Swords, the Sun, and 10 of Swords reversed. So I believe in the first week you will have a lot of clarity about certain things. It is going to be a fresh new start of something. You will be, and I believe something has happened in the past which was little painful, which made you very sad. It could be, it might have also given you some health issues. It was very very stressful, and that thing is going to start healing from August. So this first week is going to make you, like, it is going to be a comeback for Leos, and you are going to be very strong, very clear in your thinking, and it is going to be a very good start for you. So before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. Alright, so the second week says the 7 of Cups reversed, Queen of Cups reversed, and 6 of Cups. Well, I think this is going to be the second week where you might get the new news which you were expecting. Someone from the past might come with the news. It is going to be you, whatever problems you had in past, whatever you were thinking that you've lost something very important from your life, and you were feeling very emotionally drained out, and you didn't know what to do, where to go. So this person from the past might come in your life, and this person might give you a direction. This person might give you hope, and this is really going to make you feel very very good. So your third week says 2 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, and 6 of Wands reversed. So whatever news this person is getting for you is going to be a good news. It might be a new project, it could be a job, it could be something which is going to give you monetary gains. But please don't believe, or just believe that it is all because of luck, because you are a skillful person, and this will require a lot of hard work. So from the third week onwards, I guess you will start putting in the efforts. You will start working very very hard. You will be very creative. You are going to show your skills in the best way possible to basically get the best rewards. This might make you a little bit this might make it little bit difficult to balance things in your life, because obviously when you are putting your maximum attention to one area, it becomes difficult to give the attention to the other area. So you will be juggling with those things. It could be a little difficult, but definitely you will be able to manage it, because you really want to come back here. By the third week, you will have this feeling that whatever position I had earlier, whatever image I had earlier in front of the people who loved me, or I really need to get that thing back. So that kind of a thing will be there in the third week. The fourth week, it is the Devil, 7 of Pentacles, and 4 of Cups reversed. So by the fourth week, you will feel that you have actually come out of the negative feelings, the negative area where you were, and you were feeling really trapped. You really wanted to come out of it. So by that time, by fourth week, you will feel that you have come out of it. You were trying really hard, and it is that that it has, the time has actually come when you are out of that trap, and out of that negativity, out of that forceful thing where you were working, or you were a part of that relationship or whatever it was, and after coming out of it you will have like more focus on the materialistic thing. You will plan to focus on yourself, you will plan to focus how you can make money. You will have these long term plans, and this is going to give you a very good result. You might it will not be an instant thing. You will have to work hard for it, and you are definitely working hard for it, because whatever you are doing here, whatever this project is, it is all related to your interest, your passion and your skills. So you are definitely going to do best out of it, and things are going to be much better than past. So yeah, that's it. Still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box, and for the detailed reading, see the description box. Good luck, viewers.